Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2026 Jeep Compass Sport that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Starting with, it is in your hydro blue paint finish, so a great looking color on these Compass models. The Sport does come equipped with a great blend of features. Of course, your backup camera equipped back there, plenty of cargo space in the back. As you can see there, lots of room back there to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. Of course, you do have great 4x4 capabilities, making it a great unit for even some of those tougher road conditions. Taking a peek inside, you can get up to 3 passengers in that back seat. Plenty of legroom back there for them to sit quite comfortably. You do have floor mats included, both front and back, so nice little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. USB port hookups in that back seat. Taking a peek up front here. So touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface with the Uconnect system equipped in there. Of course, access to all of your audio media controls, Bluetooth capabilities as well in through there. Climate control is also accessible in through the touchscreen. You do have heated seats included and access to just some of the apps and settings. Just below your screen, again, access to all of your basic audio media controls, climate control options, a few more USB port hookups just in the front there. Key fob for the Jeep right here, push button start just tucked in behind there. Steering wheel mount controls, cruise control options, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on that left hand side, audio media controls just in behind your steering wheel. All of your power windows, locks, side mirrors. But that's just a quick look at this 2026 Jeep Compass. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.